Appointment Book. Finding your way around the appointment book in Shortcuts Live is easy. Once you know your way around, you'll be able to find the information you need in a quick glance. In this lesson, you'll learn how to move around the appointment book, view roster activities, view appointment details and client alerts, recognize appointment status colors, view appointment book tasks, view the employee performance scorecard, change appointment book views, and view arriving clients. From Operations, select Appointments. The appointment book will be displayed showing today's bookings. To move forwards and backwards a day or a week, click the navigation buttons in the bottom bar. The time intervals shown reflect the booking intervals you configured in the appointment setup. Each employee is shown at the top of the column. Their appointments, tasks, and roster activities are listed below. You can quickly see the status of each client's booking by the color of the booking. For example, booked appointments that have not yet been confirmed will be shown in green. Confirmed appointments will show in turquoise. Appointments where the client has arrived will be shown in blue, and appointments where the client has already been checked out will turn grey. You will notice the stars above the greyed out appointments. This is the client's visit rating and indicates how valuable the client is to your business in terms of rebookings, product sales, and other factors. To view details of client appointments, click on the appointment and the touch tip will appear. This provides a quick snapshot of the client's contact number, services required, alert notices, and status. You can quickly see alert messages by hovering over the alert symbol on the client's booking. Any tags that you have applied to client bookings are also shown on the booking. Tasks that are allocated to employees are shown in white. Alongside each employee, you will see a banner icon. This gives a quick indication of how the employee is achieving their KPIs. Click on the banner to view the details. You can view the figures for the day, week, or month, or click on each KPI for more details. To switch quickly between day view and week view, click the Week View button in the bottom bar. Click Day View to return. Click Arriving to see a list of the clients who will be coming in for appointments but have not yet arrived. In this lesson, you've learned how to move around the appointment book, view roster activities, view appointment details and client alerts, recognize appointment status colors, view appointment book tasks, view the employee performance scorecard, change appointment book views, and view arriving clients.